Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to uninstall applications from this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page. Here you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. Tap on it to select it. And on this page, scroll down and find the option called App Gallery. It's possible you're missing this option, and I believe that it could be because when you install the HUAWEI Health application for the first time, you selected a region because you will be prompted to select a region when you install the application, and you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. And the only way I can think of to fix this is to reinstall the application, select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. And once you reinstall the application, select different region, log in and pair your watch together with your phone, the option should be here. And hopefully it will help you and it will work. And once you see the App Gallery icon, tap on it. And here we have the list of applications we can install on our watch. It's quite limited, as you can see. It's only like selected apps you can install. But once you install them, you will be then able to uninstall them. And if you want to uninstall them, you can tap on Manager right here. Tap on Installation Manager. And then you will see the list of applications that are installed on your watch. And to uninstall them, you can simply tap on the Uninstall button. But before that, I'm gonna show you that the icons of the apps are here. As you can see, voice recorder and photics. And if you want to uninstall the app, tap on Uninstall, tap on Yes. And the icon should disappear from the menu, as you can see. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.